Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most frequently used words in daily life. Hello.
Halo,
Bye.
sampai jumpa.
Yes.
Ya,
No.
tidak.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
You're welcome.
Sama-sama.
Sorry.
Maaf.
How are you?
Apa kabar?
Good.
Baik.
Bad.
Buruk.
It's okay.
Biasa saja.
Maybe.
Mungkin.
Of course.
Tentu. Saya.
You.
Kamu.
You.
Anda.
He.
Dia.
She.
Dia.
We.
Kita.
They.
Mereka.
What?
Apa?
When?
Kapan?
Where?
Di mana?
Why?
Mengapa?
How?
Bagaimana?
Yesterday.
Kemarin.
Today.
Hari ini.
Tomorrow.
Besok.
Now.
Sekarang.
Home.
Rumah.
Work.
Pekerjaan.
Friend.
Teman.
Family.
Keluarga.
Here.
Di sini.
There.
Di sana.
This.
Ini.
That.
Itu.
Day.
Hari.
People.
Orang.
And.
Dan.
But.
Tapi.
Because.
Karena.
To do.
Melakukan.
To go.
Pergi.
To be.
Adalah.
To have.
Punya.
To want.
Mau.
To see.
Melihat.
To come.
Datang.
To say.
Mengatakan.
Quiz time.
Kamu. Kamu. Tentu. Tentu.
The answer is
Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Sampai jumpa. Sampai jumpa.
The correct answer is
Kapan? Kapan? Datang. Datang. Di sana. Di sana.
the answer is
Sekarang. Sekarang. Rumah. Rumah.
the correct answer is
Pergi. Pergi. Teman. Teman.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.